guys, it's going to be a get ready with me video. This year our goal is to hit 1,000 and more subscribers, like even 100,000 and what am I even saying, 100,000 and more subscribers. For the first time, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth and this is Rutys vlog. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me video, guys. These are the things I literally do before going out. I'm going to show you guys how I install my Frontal. So if you really want to learn how to install your Frontal, it's going to be more like a tutorial section on how I install my Frontal. So if you want to learn that as well, just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Please, if you like this content, subscribe, join the family, and turn on the notification bell so when we post a video you get notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Okay?
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm
Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna be cleaning this place in case of any dirt. Guys, can you see my Frontal is coming out? So
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right.
leave it for a while to get dry.
Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So
gosh, let me know what you think about this quick makeup. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Hey guys, so we are practically done. Thank you for staying with me. I smell like heaven and look so beautiful. Like, this camera is not even doing justice to what I'm wearing. So that is all about this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys think about the makeup, about the wig installation, and everything about this video. Let me know. If you like this kind of content, let me also know down below in the comment section. And if you want to see more of my daily activities, still let me know in the comment section, so get to know each other, because this year is me and you. It's me and you too. So that's all, guys. Let me know what you guys think about my dress as well. Ooh, sun is looking sexy. So I'm going to be taking some nice pictures and share with you guys. You know, your baby girl is love this kind of things.
Put up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting.